Have you ever seen the sky turn purple? You might not believe that these colors can create the sky, but stay until the end of the video to see the magic for yourself. Join me every week on Easy Painting with Sima for a colorful adventure. Are you ready to pick up your brush and make some magic? Let's start with the sky. First, we're adding blue, red, and white directly onto the canvas. Then, we blend them gently with our brush, like a graceful dance. It's as if the brush is gliding across the canvas, creating a dreamy mix of purples, blues, and a hint of moonlight. Can you feel it? Just like a starry summer night. Now it's time for the mountains. Mix some purple using blue and red. Gently paint distant mountains, shaping them first and then adding texture with a touch of white and gray. Each mountain tells its own story, so bring them to life with love and care. Now we reach the heart of the painting, the big, glowing moon. Using a small sponge or tampon, dab white, blue, yellow, and brown paint gently onto the canvas to create a dreamy, round moon. Don't worry about being too precise here. This moon is a masterpiece of magic, not a photograph. Now it's time to fill the sky with stars. Grab your fan brush, mix some white paint with water, and gently flick it onto the canvas. Feel it, it's like the night is brimming with your wishes. Paint the ground using a mix of brown, yellow, and a touch of white. Start by adding a hill to define the setting. Then, with black paint, add a smaller, shadowy hill in the foreground. Pay close attention, Your ground should feel like a peaceful foundation for the story of the painting. Finally, let's create the main character. A woman with a hat gazing at the moon. Use black paint to sketch a simple silhouette and give it some shape. This woman could be anyone, maybe you, or a dream yet to come true. This is the part that completes the painting's story. The painting is done. Now step back, take a deep breath, and admire your masterpiece. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, leave a comment about what you loved or even ideas for the next painting. And, of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our magical videos.